TikTok is the #1 most downloaded app this year. So how much do people make on TikTok? Well, a couple people make over $1 million each, including Charli D'Amelio, Josh Richards, and Michael Lee as well. Now, making money on TikTok is not simply based on the number of views or subscribers. A lot of it is actually based on sponsorships by large companies. Now, the amount of money you make is actually based on views, and it works like this. For every 1,000 views you get on a TikTok video, you might make 2 to 3 pennies. So if we assume you create a TikTok video that gets 1 million views, right? That's hard, but it gets 1 million views. That means you only make $20. So if you make a TikTok video with 1 billion views, that means you make $20,000. And the way it works is once you have 10 to 20,000 subscribers, you can make a few $100s for just mentioning a brand in your TikTok video. Hard to make a living off of just making unsponsored TikTok videos though. In fact, for most TikTok content creators, you don't make any money using advertisements like you do on YouTube. Now, if you have a massive following on TikTok, you can make $100,000 per post with sponsorships, which is really rare right now. So what I want to do is I want to see how much your favorite TikTokers make per post. So what we're going to do is we're going to search together for TikTok calculator. So that's TikTok, I always spell it wrong, calculator. All right, then you click here on TikTok money calculator, and then you can scroll down and enter in the name of your favorite TikToker. So let me enter in just Charli D'Amelio. Charli D'Amelio. Hope I spelled that right. I think I did. And I'll hit enter. Here we go. There you go. So you can see how much money she makes. Now, she makes about $100,000 on average. Now, my absolute favorite, my absolute favorite TikToker is this guy right here. Hold on. This guy right here. He's hysterical. His name is Kabai Lame, and he lives actually in Italy. The guy's hysterical. So other ways that people make money on TikTok is through gifting from viewers. The problem is, though, TikTok keeps 50% of those gifts. And TikTokers also sell merchandise and other products, many times through cross-selling to their Shopify stores, actually. And a lot of celebrities, like Will Smith and others, they'll mention their TikTok videos on their social media channels, their other channels, and they'll cross-sell their content, similar to what my favorite YouTuber, Marquise Brownlee, does on Twitter when he promotes his YouTube channel there. So the bottom line is that it's really, really hard to make a living just on TikTok, but it makes sense to use Gary Vaynerchuk's strategy of repurposing content to create content once and then chop it up and post the micro content onto other social media platforms because it's a land grab. And I think that in a decade, we're going to look back and say, I wish I had posted more content on YouTube, and I wish I'd repurposed that content elsewhere, because YouTube is the only gold rush in history that costs you nothing to make the product. And it's also the only gold rush in history where you can get immediate access to billions of potential customers for free.